Every car should be like this. All of that to get at these little fucking bolts right here. Hey guys. They're super simple, guys. Super simple. Practically painful. Here. Part number. Part tool. That's the part number. Oh, it's like a little glory hole. Oh. So guys, super simple process. Anyone can do it, really. Look at this nice clean bumper we have to lean on too as well. Nice clean bumper we have to lean on as well. Oh my god. Oh my god. My favorite part about interior service is every once in a while you find a sweet little Oh, I know, we got it.